Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make foreign key and the primary key of the SQL. Let's get started. Go to the home page, put the default username, system, and the password. You should have the password already. Let's go to the admin, user ID, and let's create another one. Let's call employees. Employees database. Employee database. Okay. Let's put the password. Check all. Once you're done, hit create. So employee database is created. Once it's done, you log out. Then log in as employee. Employee database, your password. Now I'm here. You can write your command in here, but I like to type in the command prompt, which is right here. Let's do connection first. Connect employee database. Type your password again. Now it's connected. Let's create a primary key first. What is primary key? Primary key is a unique key or unique identifier from database table. A primary key cannot have null values. Null value means has no value, like it's empty, like no values at all. Let's create a primary key table. Okay, so type create table. You can name anything you want, so let's put employee info information, just employee info. I want to have the ID known, and it's going to be the data type is going to be for this is int number. Then I have to let them know that let the database know that this is the primary key right here. So not now primary key comma first name name last name zip code and the city. Okay, first of all, first name is a character, so you have to let them know the data type, which is var char 255. You have the comma right here. Last name also the same thing, var char 255 is the highest you can go. The zip code is going to be the integer number, so int comma, and the city also still will be the character, so var char, let's say 200. Once it's done, you gotta close it, then semicolon. Right here, table is created. Now you have to count how many columns you have. ID 1, first name 2, last name 3, zip code 4, and the city 51. So you gotta type insert into the column, the table name, which is employee info, and the ID now. I said 10 is the first one, and first name will be quotation for the character, then comma, the last name, comma, and then the zip code. You don't need no quotation for zip code. 1, 2, 4, 5, whatever is it, comma, and then the city. Let's say Astoria. Okay, then you're done. Enter. This is select keyword. Okay, keyword. Insert into right here. Those are the values. You have to let them know this is values. Press enter. It's created. So second thing, Jamaica, then the zip code, 101 blah blah. And 11. I don't know. Let's put one more. Lane, which is Brooklyn, and then 228 is the zip code. The first one, let's put sign. The item is going to be the subscription. Right? Okay, so it's done. So far what you did is you created a primary key, which is right here. Only the ID is going to be the primary. It's going to be the unique number, like your social. It cannot. It's not going to match with anything else. So this ID is the rare ID, like unique ID. And when you're going to create a foreign key, then you need to use this primary key. So let's create another table using the foreign key. Okay. So far I have the employee names, the address, zip code, and their ID. So if I create another one as a foreign key, I'm gonna use the table name as let's create it first. Create table info. Let's create table. Create table. Okay. Let's delete everything. Here I'm gonna put like their check, employee check, paycheck. Okay, employee pay, employee, okay, employee dot. You know what? The employee paycheck. So I'm gonna create another table which is employee paycheck, where I'm gonna have employee ID. There's gonna be the integer number, and that could be also the primary key for this table. Now, primary key, right? And then salary could be the number also, int. And then I want to use those names, those employees into here by using the foreign key. So I have to keep the same ID right here. In order to do that, I need to copy this ID now. That's what I used, ID underscore long as int. Then I have to type constrant and then I want to share the salary, right? SALARY, salary, foreign key. Where is it? FOREIGN. Which one I want to use? ID now. ID now. And it's coming from where? Reference from the first table, which is employee info. Once it's done, you can close it, enter it. So it's missing keyword. Okay, let's see what's going on. Create table, employee paycheck, employee ID, INT not known, primary key, salary INT, then it's right here. That was primary key. Primary key. Table can we have only one primary key. That's right. So this one constant FK salary for key ID reference. Okay, missed S in there. Okay, so now I created another table called employee paycheck. Now I have to put information in there. To do that, insert info, insert into employee paycheck, right? Values, and then employee ID. Let's say their social, and then preview 1984. There's this ID now, and then that's too big. Let's make it simple. 111, right? Comma, and then the salary, how much they make. Let's say 1,800 per week, right? And then the ID number. So the previous primary key I use 10, 11, and 15. Up to 10. Let's say 10 here. So 10 means this guy right here, which is Tanvir. He makes $1,800 a week. Let's finish it. Close it. Right. Then I put that one 11. Let's say he made 15. And his check is 12. I mean ID number. For 11 I can put, let's say, 500. 13. Let's say he make 2 paychecks a week. One is 1,500 and another one is 500. But the check amount, check ID now gotta be changed. But the employee now is still the same thing. I should write right here employee check ID now instead of writing employee ID. Now once it's done, let's commit right here. Then come back to employee database and select user table. User tables from user table. Select select start from employee info. Right, here's another one. So I have 2 of them. One is employee info, another one is employee paycheck. Select start from employee check, and then we're going to do this information. So here's this is the primary key right here, ID known, right? You see this is unique, the ID known. And then here, explain it, employee ID also the unique. but this ID now came from the primary key, which is employee info database, employee info table. If I want to create another one here, I'm sure here I have 10, 11, 15. Those are the unique, right? And if I wrote 17 here, now it don't work because I wrote that because ID now is the primary key, cannot be changed. So that's about it, how to create the primary key and foreign key. The next video is coming up with the joint, and those are the most important: joint, upper joint, right here, those three, left joint, right joint, and the upper joints. The most important in the SQL is create a table, put information into the table, which is insert values, then create primary and foreign key, and then using do the joins and allies. Those are the most important, and everything else you just copy paste the code from the online from here, www.w3schools.com/SQL. Alright, thank you.